How to print W2S in QuickBooks Online Payroll. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can print your W2S in QuickBooks Online Payroll, and here is how to go about it. After logging into your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard automatically, as you can see. Now, on this dashboard, you'll see the different things that you've done. By the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation bar as well. Now, one thing you must notice that on QuickBooks, or QuickBooks has different segments. It has the online segment, it has the online payroll segment, it has accountancy segment, etc. Currently, this is the online segment, and on this particular segment, it is not possible to check out your tax payroll. So the next step is to go to your tab, go to top part of the screen, click on a new tab and type out QuickBooks Online product, and then you will see the different QuickBooks product that is available. As you can see here, you can see QuickBooks Online Payroll, QuickBooks Solopreneur, etc. Just go ahead and click on QuickBooks Online Payroll. This is because of the purpose that we're trying to achieve, which is to get or to print out W2S tax. So now after selecting um QuickBooks Online Payroll, you will be brought to the online payrolls page. So on this page, the next step is to locate the tax option. And how can you do this? Go to the top right corner of the screen and then click on the magnifying glass option. And you can see there. And the next step is to type out tax or taxes, whatever. Okay, taxes cannot be found, so just type out tax, and then the options displayed are as follows. You can see payroll, tax payments, tax detail reports, etc. Just go ahead and click on payroll tax payment. Now you can see that the page that I asked for is not being displayed, and that is because the account I'm operating currently is a free account. So for you to be able to print your W2S in QuickBooks Online Payroll is that you should ensure that you are using the paid account. So once after upgrading your account to the paid account, you will see taxes, or you see the tax option being displayed. Ensure you select it. After selecting taxes option, select payroll tax. That is on the taxes option page. You'll see the option payroll. Ensure you select it. After selecting it, you'll see a list of options as well. Click on fillings. After clicking on fillings, you will be brought to taken to the fillings page. On this page, you would see the option W2 copies A and D. Then once you've seen this, you see a list of options under this as well. Select file, choose annual forms, then WWT copies A and D employer, and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, you will see some prompts guiding you through the process of how you can print your W2 forms. Just follow all of this and you are good to go. All right, it's very simple. Ensure you upgrade your account. Come over, log in into your account. After upgrading it, search for taxes option, then click on payroll tax, click on fillings, follow the instructions, and then you'll be able to carry out the rest of the process. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.